TV. Ni saa cia Vilingi Wa Mauvoo.
Ni na ukethia musesia wa mukata nenda kubocha ndini wa Vilingi Wa Mauvoo kiokoni cha umundi ni Faith MAKENZI wa Mutunga twatiania ndini wa Facebook ni Mutongo TV. Gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Julius Malombe ni wikilisi enendi makitui kana ni manakwatie balua wa kuungamwa kwa iseso ya kudhoima maminista ala unolo tete kuma kula kwenzama ya kulunga mituo na kukitana na ulusania EACC laweta kana iseso yi inatwa iwe kaunti ni sionde bandhi ya Kenya na ti kaunti ya Kitui iyoka balawenda enendi kwithwa na umisio EACC etwa isio kunikili wa ministers walote mbewa mbunge ya Kitui kutoa isia iseso ya kumadhungulula. Onesmus Chalo ni watumba nisiaingewa.
Itina baisesa ya kudhima maminista la gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Julius Malombe na dhakiti bunge ni ya kaunti ya Kitui kuungamwa na NMD 10 kivadhukanyo kukonya kuungamwa kwa iseso yeu yu gavana Malombe ni wekithisia NMD kana nimana kwa atie balua kumakula kwenzama ya kulunga mitua na kukitana na lusani ya EACC na ilena andike speaker wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kuliti ya mbone ngwa mwanya ikunekele masieto mama minister ala gavana onolote tembe wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kwa madhoima.
What happened, and these are the facts, forget about the rumors. What happened on 18th, the County Assembly of Kitui, from the report which was given by the Speaker, they received a letter which was addressed to all the county speakers of the assemblies in the Republic of Kenya, requesting the speakers not to proceed with the vetting of either CEC members or CEOs, or even county public service board members. Because in some cases, there are cases of county public service board members whose names are supposed to be vetted. They requested that the names of those people, together with their IDs, be sent to them to do some integrity checks. And that was not manufactured by our speaker.
Malombe awetakika bindani kalawa kwa mana mwene kivilo anzama ya talda ofisini kwake na vala kielelo kinene cha anzama iya talda kwa mana gavana Malombe nitina wa ungami wa silanga wa Kiambere kuwetakana no kwenda kufukuza silanga o na wakana kuangelanga kiwondo mana stimila siuma silanga ni usum ena nandiki mama voti na wako kwa mana anzama gavana Malombe nwaweta nundu wavata kwa samawoni ma NMD nikana kukwata mbau wendi wa President William Ruto kwa samawoni ma NMD bewa kutoa isia maendeo pala wetata itambia isia talda meki yanokana kuikithia mwenende ni mwenyanie.
Mwene kivila wa shirika isu ya serikali ita wa tada ila inengeto jukumu ya kusiaisia munanda wa Kiambere walatu umetie kibu kilachuka mwingi na woa masinga walatu umetie kibu kichuka kukitui kelelo chi kutungiane ya mamoni tusisie tutonya kwika kindu chucha kubukusya menanda ata nanzia equity kilikani ausika monzia latu meta stakeholders utongo iwanzino ulawebo ulo Raisi Ruto mwene nukwasi kana andu nimalite kukonsort kana kuswania bewa ona matana ambi ya miradi yoyote ya maendeleo kwamba kukonsort no yotsa ingetumita o public participation
na kemwene kivilo anzama hii motambu na wetakana kielelo kinene kuya mivango ya ondo iseso iya kuvukuza silanga ui kuendea iweta kilanga thikila kikuma silanga ni ukikethwa na oterio munene kwi mwene nthi ondo mwana serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui.
Tarda ina exercise ikuika Kiambere dam neto dispute damu ya Kiambere na kila tukumia pau ni Kithangathi ambapo ni valuable kwa andu ma Kitui wa county wanakwitwa na Tarda na kitumikila kwitumito tukomana netuye mitalatala ya ulondu exercise isu ikwendea kana mivango isu ikwendea na kana undu Tarda ikwendea na kumya Kithangathi kiu na umunthi nitwakwatania na ngavana kana tutanambi
matamuno awetekana ni makwithia mainena nyana ala mailite kukomya isesoni no kana kwikibia kana kwinomela mokulu kana ngusanise kavindani kala makwithia mayumia Kithangathi ki silangani usum ho kavindani kau ingi mutamuno awetekana no kwithia maithukisya wasi wa mwene mthi kuyana na wendi wa President William Ruto ya kunenge ene mthi kumya mawoni mo eweta makwithia maitwa isya sikalo mbeange no kana kumya utumwa ilu televota Vilingi Wa Mauvoo kuma ofisini wa governor wa kaunti ya Kitui ni Onesmus Chalo.
Ndongo ya ngwatanio ya Azimio One Kenya Raila Odinga ni utiisye umbalo lawiba niwe kutoa kiwanzani cha Kamkunji musini wa Iloviku muthenyani wa umundi wa kuliana na itambia ya kuithwa kwa makomishna ana manza mosa kwa ni IBC pala alama ndio wathukanu na mosungio ma usumbe yu maandamano asu kuyanana na Raila makatwaigwa matuku mwanza mwaine tuendete wa 10 na ile kuteigwa kwa maandamano asu koka muthenya umwe itina wa President William Ruto kukulia ngaliko ya ulei ikikatwa ise maandamano asu. Joseph Kitheka nokutuelesea
itina wandongo isio likwitha inatangazikana nsiku ithwa itwa ise ombano munene Kamukunji na indi miatianio kwi uni misini ila minene va Kenya tanzemwe ya kutetea maofisa manza manene usokwana mvaka va Kenya alama indi yote na mautangaso mausindi wa kivila cha usumbi usokwanini muvitu yundongo ini sakumana kwi umundi na kukuisya iseso yi.
The meeting took place against the background of continuing rise in the cost of basic commodities. Plans by the government to introduce GMO maize and seeds into our country and the determination by the Kenya Kwisha administration to create an electoral body in Ruto's own image and after his liking. That push to reorganize the IBC is camouflaged as a trial of the 4 IBC commissioners.
Mainene maikoloni manema SKM Command Center kwa ndongo ya Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka matongo ni Raila Odinga nono atwa minister itasi wa Kenya Eugene Wamalwa unenilo wasomwa ndongo yala ni mbunge nene Opio wadai ni mawetakana mosa itambie kunenga mwanya manyuala maende kwika mitianiyo ya kuminukile mwaka vila mawetakana miatione ikethiwa yito iwengi matuku munza mwayo wa 10 na ile utondo yivangiwe
7th of December 2022 due to the ongoing national examinations. We have listened keenly to the appeals of parents and our school-going children, and we have decided to obey their wishes. That the Justice, Legal and Constitutional Affairs Committee of the National Assembly hearings against the 4 IBC commissioners is a lynch mob, a hired squad, and an illegality with a predetermined position. We don't recognize it and won't recognize or honor its findings. Instead, we will fight it to the bitter end, in and outside the house.
Uhuyo katina kwitha kwiyo President William Ruto anatafisya ndongo hii kana kwiki ya miatianio tiwa ilu ahiweta kwa uyu Kenya mayumbanitie kulika ingi maandamanoni kwa huni mumanthe nzia ingi ya kunenga na mayondekethyo mo inditi kukitanithya enendi.
I want to tell our brothers in the opposition to work with us, to criticize whatever they want to criticize, but let's keep the country peaceful. That's all we're asking. We want everybody to do their job, right? We want to do our job, and we wish well the opposition in doing their job, but they should do it peacefully. I do not think organizing demonstrations and getting Kenyans to do the things they want Kenyans to do is part of holding any government to account. They are free to criticize what we are doing. That's okay with us, and we appreciate. but I want to encourage them not to drive Kenyans against one another. Street demonstrations, street fights should not be part of the script of any responsible opposition.
Joseph Kitheka ngilivotea Vilingi Wa Mauvoo Vamutongoi TV.
Memba wa mbunge ya Kitui kuma wodini ya ikanga cha Tune Cyrus Musyoka ni uthakisi mutalatala mbungeni ya Kitui wa kunenesa bata wa kwithiwa na kinandu cha memba mambunge sia county na ula ubanitwe a memba mambunge sia county kwithiwa maibathiwa ilobia sia kumatonyethia kutwa sia maendeleo kana maendeleo isioni kana county ward allocation fund wala mutalatala usu ukwithiwa winananiswa mbungeni isu ya Kitui. Onesmus Chalo nukutueleza.
Memba wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kuma wodini ya kanga cha Tune ile Kitui cha Idio Cyrus Musyoka nwadhacha mutalatala mbungeni ya kaunti ya Kitui wa memba mabunge ya sia kaunti kubathia wilovia kumatonyethia kutwa isia maendeleo isioni kana county ward allocation fund aina na andiki mama vote na wakikaloki nza wa miako ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui na wetakana kinandu kikethia wakimatonyethia mota memba mabunge sia kaunti kuthukuma NND batena maumu
anengane notice ya motion kana bunge sio ndesi ya Kenya si miongo na monza nitu petition kan dukulia bunge nene, that is the national parliament na senate itu ila media ya maika mubango wa amend katiba kaitu manenge kana meke mubango wa CDF kwithi abaka ya katiba na mubango wa ngaf ila ya women representative na senate oversight fund ila ya senator na huo obau Musyoka mone kana mundola waku yanthebio mwakilishi wandu wala we maana muno at the ground level wala we a member of county assembly na kene kiwe katibani na enengo beza sita wa development fund nikenda eto amathina ma school fees eto amathina ma sibitali eto amathina ma balabala with na kinandu chake ta mwakilishi wandu kutonya kutumia thukuma andu make from the ward level.
Songo nwa wetakana memba wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kuvathia wakinandu kikaterese vanene kumina mathina amwe ala mevwila amwe nende isioni sia nduani.
Ula una movie motion ino katika bunge nene kana ula na movie amendment ino katika bunge nene Stephen Mule mena ulongi gishimu ningo makulia lamo masi plight ya county assemblies kana mathina la mena county assemblies na muno eshimiwa ma bunge sia county ni kwithi andu ano mete wa mathina uyanthi na the minute kana ilama meka isamu matite MCAs we will be killing the spirit of revolution kana ula ugatuzi kwitha chotunge tina MCA na no iba yanthi na niwe wokea wanake nengo mathina monthe etiwa niki gikulia mbunge ya Kitui kwa umwe tukwatane uni muthenya wa Jumatano tubetithie usado no nikenda wabika kuya national parliament ithi ta mbunge ya Kitui twacia kana tuyatale mubango nuno wa kunengwe ward development fund.
Amemba nyanya kuma wodi ni kivathukanyo va kaunti ya Kitui ni makwata mbo mutalatala wo vala mawetani utedio kwi mwene nthi vala makulia yumbe serikali nene kukwata mbo mutalatala wo akwithia na kinando cha memba mambunge sia kaunti
ni kulia National Assembly na Senate matu consider ta assemblies ya Kenya ila mobitithia muswada wa kwete CDF wa kwete GAF na wa kwete Senate Oversight Fund nikenda nao MCAs in the Republic of Kenya namo methiwe na mbesa cha kuthukuma mwenenzi mbesa ino zikatethesia nundu oiti na spirit ya devolution ile kuma Nairobi nginya enda umalalani kwau tunengetwa mbetha cha ward development fund na tukwa sign wa function ila twele kwika ta MCAs onembwa no tulelo twevo with no propua bursaries with ni polytechnics isuji ta kutethesia kukilia mwene nthi kuma ku ya nthi pio na yetu ni spirit ya devolution
matalatala uwe kwatwa kunena niswa bungeni wakatatu u balani voti mwanye kwithia itu mwa bungeni nene
nungu support motion isu ngwasikana ni kutethesia andu maitu muno nundu kwa devolution ni kindu cha maana muno tena wa development fund kenda wisa kwithia mundu ala mabata tatulelo twathuka masibitali su ninziemwe ya kukilia maendeleo kuyanduani.
Televoti ya Vilingi Wa Mauvoo kuma myakoni ya bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui Neto Onesmus Chalo.
Unyivu wa ngwatanio katikati wa ateti milongoni kibuthukanio ile mbetani ya ukamba ni umwe ula withitwe uyetea ambaye ya mukamba wasio munene thini wa miaka 5 ya utongoi wa President William Ruto maunduni meukoni ya utongoi na maendeleo ma ile mbeta itwesia UDA ukamba ta Anastasia Mwendo ula unamelelia mataa uyumbe wa yata na UDA weta wasio wa ayumbe kana wa moyumbe wa yala ula President William Ruto unanengete Fred Muteti ni wonanio wa uteti wa wasio wa elembeta yitena umwe maundoni mamandeleo na utongoi kindu kilata ile idha isomo kwa utongoi wa ukamba. Benjamin Mwaka ni mwandiki wetu wa Mauvoo.
Umwe wa atongoi ilembeta ni ukamba withwa wa vata muno kusonga nambe ethiwa ilembeta yini kwithwa na wendi wa kukwata maendeleo na kwiyaka maunduni ma utongoi ungua serikali ya President William Ruto umo itwe sia chama cha UDA ilembeta ukamba Mwandu Anastasia Mwendo na uloni vanini muvitu noktia uyumbo yata na chama cha UDA weta mbaila sina wendi umwe wa kuthuia enende mo mawia na maendeleo serikali ni siambie kunena na wasia umwe tailembeta kimani hilani Mount Kenya na Western Kenya
ukambani kila mundu ekwate chake na isemba nacho lakini yu watu asisi other regions nimekwekala nthi maka discuss about the region, not about we katika mlengo wipa kanona unayetasia kivila na chama kiva. Need to need as leaders twekala nthi na tu discuss ubo wa maundu maitu ma ukambani undu tutona kuendesia e region itono kwata maendeleo, not because you need to mean siasa na kila mutongo ya yu ngama eti kivila kana yasena kwenda kutongo sia andu make etha yenda maendeleo na nundu tuna new government in place atongo yao nde alama neti kivila alama neti sema kwata kivila toilete kuitana na tuimanda undu tu kwata share ya serikali kwa ithia kamba ala tuibana kubi na mheshimiwa Kalonzo kekapo undu tutononena na mheshimiwa tukamuya nundu wa wendi wa kwikanesa na andu maituma kwati sindu ila mailete kukwata kuma katika serikali tutukumena serikali nikana tukwate maendeleo
kwana na Mwandu Anastasia nikana ni mwani kwa uungwa ateti ukamba ula unentina wa ateti ma UDA kwa wamwe kuunga metino loyo mwandiki muneno wa chama chambe cha President cha URP Fred Muteti kukutia kivila chombunge mbungeni ya Yala utaneviki ya kukwata kulasia kuyana bungeni agati na ile ya Senate kukwata mwana uu
nikindu chao zenya muno yithia kana twina ithuna yiva twailete kuitanuka lakini tuivenwa ye munduka niki because twina ngwatanio twina la unity. Kwa imagine it was so sad kuona kana ni kwitha wi Azimio ndwenda ukunea Muteti kura nikano aone ngwila cha Yala. It is just sad, lakini was the other side matongozi ni mheshimiwa His Excellency the Deputy President nukwenda andu asuma kwatane Mount Kenya wazisia Musalia Mudavadi the same nukwata niti andu make ma region isu lakini ukambane vyo others mekwasia usuti witu tiwa Azimio but ni witu ni mukamba witu onandu amba kuiya ke wamba kuiya chama kewe na jobao kasia hone mukamba uwanena kikamba tako noi mukwata kwoko ondu Mount Kenya maneki
kavindani ka umbano wa tongoi ma ukamba lame ukwata mba usilikali ya President Ruto kwe mwambiono wa mwayo ulawa governor wa Makueni Professor Kuthaki Bwana nunawetie vena mivango ya kuvunzi chama chake cha muungano na kukwata na UDA itambia dhini dimwe vina kelo cha kuingia vina wa President Ruto ilembetane ukamba mbe wake kungu cha utetu wa kula nesi ya mwakano wa ngilile na miongoli na mwonza kwambia
nikindu kisio nundu ipate na sisi ukita sika ingi pokethia you now hata you don't even know twendesi chao especially onangaliko ya kuito kambani whether ipate ni mbinge na indi sieti la hula umoja ningwasya kana it is okay kwitha na but iswimo tukaeka lino ingisio on that with na emonundu pala tukumea muno kambani mundu akwitha kila mundu endo thiungi lo kwesa kumea ni mwenende
na ona uyovo Mwandu Anastasia Mwendo noweta kana kwa ivindambe ndino historia ya usumbe serikali ya Ruto ililikanile mbai muno kuvita silikali sionthe ila syaithiwa utongo-ini kwisila myatha mingi ya kuolotwa ilonenganite kwao yu ilembetani ukamba utena myatha ii vena mivango misu ya kuanisi uano ula weekiie sai na utongo wa ukamba ivindani ya kampeni yaani chata kukonya milati ya maendeleo ilovanie kuthukumithia nthini wa miaka 5 kaunti sio kamba
ona kamba muno mekwasia hii for sure we don't deserve it nundu wa kwitha ikuda twinanengano lakini hii appointments no tunengie mbingi appointments tu kwasia nisio maendeleo but of course we na appointed atongo yengi ukambani maendeleo moma nano na indi twasisia sindu ila sio vosi ya distraction like sio distract serikali ni kulia kamba maitu together to be part of this.
Ndilivotia Vilingi Wa Mauvoo kumavaa musini lovi. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.
Musumbi William Ruto ni ukulile amanyiwa ma grade 6 kwithiwa Naomi sio ibindani yi mekwithiwa maimanya unuo yulu wa kuthi kilasi kila kimbe. Ruto aweti ukabinda kala ebikite skulu wa St. Joseph Kang'ethe ula wikibra aiweta kana amanyiwa nino manya yulu wa kuthi nambe o mitoke.
And how are you?
Okuwa tele livoti ya nzama yemona ya andu miongone na ilila wa ofisi ya kudhuima mutalatala mwa wa kisomo wa CBC. Livoti ile kunenga na molo toa kanama ni walama ende kweka mutiani wa grade 6. Nime utela skulu ni lama na iko ila sisi ya grade 7 na 8 kana nime kwe yunga na junior secondary. President William Ruto ule vikita skulu ni wa Joseph Kang'ethe ulawe kibra kudhuima undu mitiani ya grade 6 na KCPE ende na kwekwa. Niwenda amaniwa ama grade 6 kweki ya viti mitiani ni iyo mbewa muvewa kisomo kunenga na molo toa kisomo ki cha CBC.
Shortly we will be agreeing on how to transit into the next level. A decision is going to be made in the very short term so that you can know next year, especially for those who are in grade 6 and grade 7, how they will move and transit to the next level.
President Ruto haimenda sina ene yanda ange kifadhokanya muveani wa kisomo. Alame dhita mayenda maniwa ama grade 6 kutikala skulu ni oisi ya musingi kwa miaka ingi mbeo wa kweyonga na skulu siya sekondali. Kwetho wana omisi ya kuwa endena kuetele livoti ina kudhuima maondo kithio mayo. Valaye kitheta vethi wana mivango mithianiwa kukila nilia kwa maniwa ama grade 6. Ruto waweta maniwa ava mwana lama KCPE tameonewa moithi lukomasio makweka metiani yo.
All administrators, every head teacher and center in charge have been given adequate security to make sure that all our children who are carrying out exams today, either KCPE or KCSE, there is adequate security in every center so that we do not distract our children from carrying out their examination.
Have you prepared well? Yes.
Ruto nola enda manita na minister muveno wa kisomo Ezekiel Machogu. Aimenda ene yanda onde alame okonyo metia nini eko ikithia kana nemeka kivolo chondu vailite. Nekana kuikithia omelu na uwekeku wa metia ni
All arrangements have been put in place between all the stakeholders and the multi-agency team that has put this together. I want every official who has been vetted to participate in this exercise to make sure that they discharge their responsibilities in accordance with the training and the agreement that has been done between the multi-agency team and all those who will be administering these exams, to make sure that there are no incidences, that there is no disruption, that there is no distraction, and all our students have an opportunity to have their examination in a tranquil environment.
With God and the kind of discipline, you have been able to make it all the way, so they look at you as great inspiration. And in a few years to come, these are the people that are going to serve our country in various other capacities, Your Excellency.
Ken Mulinge, Mutongo TV.
Okay, mwalimu.
Serikali ni kumina kuthamangwa kwa alimu ungu wa mwaluku meu ala meiki wa bandi ya Kenya mubeani wa kisomo wodi kwenana na munini wa Musumbe Rigathi Gachagua ainena ila okusiasia walanyo wakwe kwa metiani ya umina mwaka skulu ni wa Komaro Primary musini wa Ilobi. Caleb Chalo nukutuelezea.
Nenze venzo kwa alimu alama na anoetwe ni undu kuitwa delocalization kana alimu kutoawa kuthuku mavasa na misiyo na unitina wa munini wa Musumbe Rigathi Gachagua kwikithia kana serikali wa Kenya Kwanza nukuyanesia watho wa kuvetanga delocalization na ile utalo munini wa alimu va Kenya wanaliana nayo.
In our plan in the Kenya Manifesto, we agreed that the process of delocalization should be done away with so that teachers are able to work anywhere without being coerced to work in certain areas.
Akinenia skulu ni wa musingi wa Komaro Primary musini wa Ilobi na valeto ngwese maofisa ma kuungamia mutiani wa KCPE na KPSEA kuna icha mutiani o ni wakatha alimu yolo wa githito chocha kwikithia kana ciana ni ciakwata kisomo na vala waikithia kana ripoti mwana yolo wa mutala wa CBC ni kwitha ndinenganwe na kumnya moloto yolo wa mutala osu.
I want to thank the teachers who have prepared these learners for the good job that you have done. And I want to say once again that the teaching profession is a calling. Nobody can compensate you adequately for what you do. It's a sacrifice. And that is why we are calling for respect for our teachers, because what they do is a calling. It's such a huge sacrifice. That is why the president has set up the Working Party on Educational Reforms to look at issues CBC, to look at TVET, to look at university education. And this Friday, we'll be giving the way forward after the president receives an interim report on how we proceed with the CBC and other reforms.
Oingi munini wa Musumbe ni wekithia kana alimu ala mathukuma ungu wa bodi cia skulu kana BOM nimekwandikwa ni nzama ya TSC na vala wamekia vinama ni wa make last yana na grade ya 6 ala maendelea na kwika mitiani yo.
We are also here to encourage you and to wish you well and to ask you to be focused. An exam is just an exam. I am sure you are prepared well. The teachers have prepared you well, and you are on your path to destiny. I want to encourage you that what you are going through today is what we went through many years back. I want to tell you the sky is the limit. Be focused and concentrate on your education. And one day you'll be men and women of substance. So I want to thank the teachers for preparing you well. I want to thank your parents for taking care of you, making sure that you are well fed, you are well brought up, you have good clothes, and you are in a good position to come to school and learn. I have also been told that you have 27 teachers at a TSC and 5 teachers employed by the Board of Management, which is quite a burden to our parents. And since I have come here, I want to give an undertaking that the 5 teachers that are employed by BOM are going to be employed by TSC in January when we are employing more than 30,000 teachers.
Caleb Chalo, Mutongoi TV, Vilingi Wa Mauvoo.
Amanyiwa eli mutiani wa KCPE kuma skuluni. Naindi musaisia ekaatu biche vaundhini wa Vilingi Wa Mauvoo mwendoni wa saa umwe yotongia mubianundo wa kwenda na itutwidhi watu isisia Mauvoo ala me madhanguni etina wa ndatika mbudu kwa wayuti wanesa.